Happy morning, dear children. In today's English class, we are going to revise Unit 2 Prose, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Okay, so already we have completed revising part 3 and 4. Okay, till 4th part we have completed in poem. Okay, after a bath we have completed till part 4, that is your answer the following questions. So in today's class we are going to revise Unit 2 Prose, that is the bubble, straw and the shoe. So kindly take this page in your classwork note. Okay, as you already completed this. Okay, so we'll go with spell drill. Listen carefully. So each and every spelling is very important. So kindly pay attention to the spellings. Okay, see the first word, children. Part 1 spell drill. So the first word is bubble. What is the first word? Bubble. B-U-B-B-L-E. Bubble. Next, move on to the second word. Straw. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. What is the second word? S-T-R-A-W. Straw. Bubble, straw. And we'll move into the third word, shoe. What is the third word given here? That is shoe. What is the spelling of shoe? S-H-O-E. Shoe. What is the spelling of shoe, children? S-H-O-E. Shoe. And we'll move into the fourth word. Listen that spelling. Don't make any mistake over here. So kindly listen, children. Forest. What is that? Forest. So what is the spelling of forest? F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. So the spelling of forest is F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. And next we'll move into the fifth word. Listen carefully. Float. What is the fifth word? Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. What is the spelling of float, children? F-L-O-A-T. Float. Okay, so next we can move into the sixth word. Splash. What is the sixth word? Splash. S-P-L-A-S-H. What is the sixth word, children? Splash. S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash. And next to seventh one, soak. What is the seventh word given here? Soak. See the spelling carefully. S-H-O-O-K. Soak. What is the spelling? S-H-O-O-K. Soak. Okay, so first word is bubble, second one is straw, third one is shoe, fourth one is forest, fifth one is float, sixth one is splash, and seventh one is soak. Got it? Next we are moving into another part. So you have to read the spelling, children. In your home, you just read the spelling of each and every word. Okay, so this is very important. Yes, next we are moving into part 2. So that is framing a sentence with the words. You already know, right, how to frame a sentence with the words. Okay, so we have already studied in a spell drill. So that is bubbles. So with the bubbles, we are going to frame a sentence. What is the sentence? I can blow bubbles. I hope you all like bubbles, right? I can blow bubbles. Yes, you are enjoying to blow bubbles. Yes, and next, see here they have given a word shoe. I can wear shoes. What is this? I can wear shoes. Got it? So I can blow bubbles, I can wear shoes. Can you understand this? So this is how you are going to frame a sentence, children. Okay, see the third word they have given here is river. What is the third word? River. So we are going to frame a sentence with this word river. See here, the three friends crossed the river. What is the sentence? The three friends crossed the river. Okay, or else you can also write, there is a river nearby my home. Okay, so there is a river nearby my village. You can write like that. Yes. So bubble, with the word bubble we have framed a sentence that is, I can blow bubbles. With the word shoe we can frame the sentence that is, I can wear shoes. So with the word river we can frame the sentence like, the three friends crossed the river. Now can you understood? We have revised only part 1 and 2 in unit 2. So kindly go through spell drill and framing a sentence with the words. Okay, kindly refer your classwork note and revise it. Read the spelling, children. Don't make any mistake in the spelling. Got it? Okay, thank you, children.